If you want to clone WhatsApp on a Redmi 15, in order to do so, we need to download an app that allows us to clone apps, because unfortunately we do not have a built-in option. So to do that, we're gonna go to the Play Store. Let's go to search, and you can search for example, App Cloner. And as you can see, we have multiple different apps that we can try, so feel free to try anything from here. However, in my case, I'm going to use this one over here, and I'm going to show you how to set it up. It is really easy. So let's install this app, and let's wait a couple of seconds. Once the app is installed, we're going to open it, press agree and continue. And after that, you should be able to find some example apps that you can clone, including WhatsApp, most likely. If you don't see WhatsApp, however, then you can press add, and you may be able to find it, for example, over here in popular apps section, or you can just simply scroll down to the W letter in order to find WhatsApp, and you can press add over here. And there we go. We have created the cloned version. It should be also immediately open, so you can continue setting it up. And you can also press and hold your finger on the app itself, on the WhatsApp, the clone version, in the Powerwell app in this case, in order to find some additional options that you might want to use. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.